Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles in this puzzle page, the puzzle page of Saturday, August the 19th, 2023. And we have here 6 extra puzzles. We have a 3-star Sudoku, another one, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10. And the tectonic. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 6949. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, should be a 1 star puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, we need a time limit 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 1 star, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1 star or a 3 stars Sudoku. No. For the 1 star, need to 50 minutes. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which digit can I pick? Yeah, a lot of 3s. How about a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, don't need to place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, or there. We see another 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. So the only place left with the 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7. And could be everywhere, the 7, okay. How about the number 2 and 8. Let me see. Come on. Only 1, 2 here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. Here, another 5 in that column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1 and 5, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have 8 and a 6 in this row. So no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 8 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those. Alright. So, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left now in this big square for number 1. All right. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there, here 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with 1, need to wait. How about the 6 in this column, the 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Alright, alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 7 here. Need a, we have 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 7 and more. That box should be a 7. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 2, 8, 2 and 9, 2, 9 and the 6. Need a 6 here. Need 6 there. Need a 6 here. Well, 2 and 8, 2, 8 and the 4. I'm thinking. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, no 2 here. 2. 2, 9. Yeah. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. A 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 in this row could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. From that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Yeah. 8, 6. Come on. 2 and a 9. Need a 4 here. Need a 4. Yeah. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Well, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. 4. That means we need a 4 here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number in the second row is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 in the second row Could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. For the 7, we have a 4 now in this third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Then 8, 8. And I need a 9 here. 9, 9. Interesting. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Come on. 2, 6, 8. No, 6, 6, 6. Here should be the 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers in the second column is the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in the second column could be here, could be there. So here can be 6. So the 6 in this big square. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Okay. So here, need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. No 6 here, no 6 there. Need a 6 here. 6, 9, and a 2. 2, 2. Thinking. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 place left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. How about the 4 then? Need a 4 here. 6, 8, 9, and the 2. Come on. 6, 8, and then 9. 6, 8, and 9. Here can be 8 and then 9. I'm thinking. How about the 1 now? 1, 1. 1. Yeah, 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. Wait. How about 2, 8, 9. Oh, apologies. Move the newspaper. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in the last row, so no 9 in that box. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next and last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh! 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 6. There are also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in this middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Wait. 1 box left in this column. Oh, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6. We have a 6 now in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 and 8, yeah. 2 and 8. Well, 4. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8. 8. Okay. 8 and 6. 2 and 7. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box. Oh, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number, I believe, the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2, and the 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And we have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and 6. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So, yeah. 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.